The AI boom could make investors filthy rich in 2023, but how? How? That is the big question most people want to know. How can I get rich off of this exciting technology, and why now? Why AI? Well, in this video, I want to share some ideas with you on how you can use AI to get rich, as well as invest in AI. And right now is definitely the time to be paying attention to AI, because it's the first narrative of the new year that's really taking social media, the stock market, and the crypto market by storm. You see, a company called OpenAI has been valued at $29 billion thanks to its product called ChatGPT. And now Microsoft wants a $10 billion piece of that AI pie by buying a big portion of OpenAI. You may have heard about this thing called ChatGPT. If not, where have you been? What have you been doing? Welcome back to the internet. But in case you haven't, then ChatGPT is a chat bot which uses AI technology to write a response to anything that you ask it. With 300 billion words built into its system and over 175 billion data points, it shows just how incredibly powerful AI technology has become already. And we're still so early. The implications are truly staggering beyond belief. Goodbye homework, says Elon Musk. ChatGPT was launched back in November 2022 by an AI research company called OpenAI. And holy cow, man, talk about faster S-curve adoption rates with each new technological innovation. It's insane. ChatGPT crossed 1 million users in just 5 days. To put that in perspective, it took Instagram 2.5 months to reach 1 million users. It took 10 months for Facebook to do the same. It took 24 months for Twitter to do the same. And it took 41 months for Netflix to do the same. And it's no surprise that, of course, Elon Musk was one of the company's original founders all the way back in 2015. But Elon hasn't been involved with the company for quite some time now. He actually ended up resigning from the board of OpenAI back in 2018. He did this in order to avoid a future conflict of interest with Tesla's self-driving AI car research, right? Also big AI stuff. Now, a year after that, Microsoft actually came by, invested $1 billion in it, and as part of the deal, Azure became OpenAI's cloud service provider. Now, Microsoft, as mentioned, they're looking to make a second investment in OpenAI, and they are going big with a $10 billion investment on the line here to fully integrate OpenAI's technology into Office 365. This would result in Microsoft getting 75% of the company's profits until it ends up recouping that initial investment and a 49% stake in the business thereafter. Look, big tech, they know AI is coming and there's no stopping it. They're all scrambling to be a part of it. It's adapt or die time. And for you, it could be the opportunity of a lifetime from an investment perspective, as well as a time to try something new, to maybe use AI technology to get rich. So how can you use AI to get rich? Well, some are saying that AI is a magic wand. Just wave it and it'll solve all your problems. It is designed to make your life easier, faster, more efficient, but it's also very likely that those who can accept this new technology, those who can adapt to the changing markets and adapt early, will be the winners. AI is going to help you with all kinds of stuff, with research and writing and sales and admin and much more. By using it to build out some new skills, as well as enhancing the skills that you already have, it brings a ton of new career opportunities to the forefront. For example, content creation. Man, look, we are in the era of the creator economy. Influencers, creators can make millions of dollars a year, and anyone can grab a camera, post on social media, and offer value to a bunch of people and make a living from it. ChatGPT is, in your case, going to be actually your best friend, your personal assistant. You can use ChatGPT prompts to find new ideas, to organize your thoughts, maybe to plan out some content. It can actually then turn your writing ideas into emails. It can turn them into tweets. It can turn them into blog posts. It can turn them into articles. It can turn them into video scripts. You can use it to optimize email subject lines and headlines as well. So your content is going to be catchy and punchy and stand out thanks to the power of AI. Think about something you've learned, something maybe you've accomplished in your life, and then teach it to people and teach it to them well using the power of AI. Maybe create a digital product, start making money online. It's all possible. It's all possible for you. The second opportunity is for sales. So use ChatGPT to gather customer insights. You can generate leads. You can, of course, create the best possible sales copy. It's going to help you pull together different sales scripts, content for those cold approach emails, for those DMs that are actually going to convert into sales, helping you to make more money in less time. We can also talk about number 3 here, which is of course SEO. Now ChatGPT isn't going to kill SEO. In fact, it's going to make it better. You can use ChatGPT for keyword search by asking it for a list of keywords around a specific topic, and it's going to give that back to you. Plug those keywords into an SEO tool, maybe then, to find which ones have the lowest keyword difficulty score so you can rank high for them. Now go back into ChatGPT and ask for blog posts ideas, ask for article ideas, ask for landing page copy for your chosen keyword, and on and on and on. Once you've then written a piece of content, ChatGPT can also, well, write the meta description for your web page. And look, these are just a few examples because in reality, the potential use cases for education, law, medicine, science, etc., 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 it's truly hard to comprehend how much AI is going to change our lives. AI is as important as the internet itself and how it's going to shape what our lives look like online and offline over the next decades. AI has the potential to free you from a lot of manual tasks so you can actually focus on the needle-moving tasks instead. Things that are actually going to make a difference in your life, make the money. It has the power to transform your career, whether it's from employee to solopreneur, and actually then help you rise up maybe the corporate ladder or whatever it might be. Or maybe it's going to give you a head start on an entirely new career path, something you've been wanting to do but are afraid to do. Haven't had the tools to do. Now you do. It's also going to save you time so that you can earn more. You know, just what a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. It's absolutely crazy. And if you're keen to try all this out, then just go over to ChatGPT's website and start playing around. It's crazy, it's free. But if you can't get on to ChatGPT right away, the servers have been pretty busy recently. Everybody's vibing on it, right? There are some other alternatives. There's a site called Copy AI. It helps you write better marketing copy and content. There's something called ChatSonic, which helps you with real-time data and images and voice searches. There's something called LAMDA, which is Google's ChatGPT equivalent. There's a site called Jasper, which helps you write articles and blog posts. There's something called Replica, which is an AI tool that gets better the more you talk to it. And that's just to name a few. There's like dozens of these already, probably hundreds by now. It's crazy. And now before telling you about how to invest in AI, right, I just want to let you know about my weekly cryptocurrency investor newsletter. It is called Wealth Mastery. It's jam-packed with alpha on altcoins and airdrops and NFTs, DeFi tutorials, market analysis, and much, much more. Join our 50,000 weekly readers by signing up using the link down below in the description for free. Check it out. So what about investing in artificial intelligence? Well, let's take a few examples of companies and cryptocurrencies that you can actually buy that will give you exposure to the AI hype. First, you're probably thinking, well, let's just buy OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. That sounds like a good one, right? Nope, sorry, currently a privately owned company, so retail investors like you and me, we cannot buy its stock or invest in the company at this time. Probably won't be until there's an IPO and it'll be worth like $200 billion. But anyway, there are plenty of investment opportunities for 2023 and beyond across the stock market and across the cryptocurrency market. Oh, and these are just some ideas. To be clear here, please don't run out and just ape into whatever I'm talking about because I mentioned it for 5 seconds in this video. You still have to do your own research onto any of this stuff, obviously, and of course then make your own decisions. Also, don't currently own any of these stocks or cryptos. And of course, my disclosure statement, as always, is available down below in the description. So let's talk about the stocks. First, Amazon. Amazon's come a long way since its bookstore days. It uses AI for everything from Alexa to its cashier-less grocery stores to its Amazon Web Services SageMaker. SageMaker, by the way, is an infrastructure tool providing data scientists and developers with machine learning models. The second stock to take a look at would be NVIDIA. Its graphic cards are the industry standard in data centers all over the world. The third would be Tesla. Love my Tesla, love my Tesla. Its self-driving cars are awesome. They're bringing out robots pretty soon. That's gonna just change everything. It's gonna be totally nuts when the Tesla robots come out. Number 4, IBM. Its AI technology is being used in healthcare and to create personalized care plans and to bring new drugs into the market. Number 5 is a company called C3.ai. It's a software as a service company, which allows different companies to use large AI applications. And look, that's just a few examples. There's going to be loads more, and big companies are all making their AI strategies, and I fully expect a crap load of AI SPACs to come out with crazy valuations, super high speculation, a bubble, a mess, fortunes gained and fortunes lost. Sounds like fun. I love that kind of stuff, but buyer beware of the new shiny AI stocks that will come to the market in the next few years. Some will be amazing. Some of the new paradigm of AI. others will be total crap and go to zero. And if individual stocks aren't your thing, there are AI-focused ETFs such as the iShares Robotics and AI ETF. Also, ARK has an autonomous vehicle and robotics ETF that has a lot of exposure, of course, to AI technology. And you probably think by now, but Lark, what about the crypto, man? Let's talk about the crypto. Well, AI projects are taking off in crypto in 2023. These include things like Ocean Protocol, which provides a data marketplace for selling data to improve AI models, so very direct exposure to AI in the crypto space. It's been up a lot over the last couple weeks. And while not directly linked to AI, you do have like the big data stuff. For example, the Graph. The Graph is a big data project, goes hand in hand with AI because obviously AI requires a lot of data. So the Graph is an indexing protocol for querying blockchains and networks. Its token value has been increasing a lot in January, again, on the back of that AI hype. And look, there's quite a few big data coins. There's quite a few big, AI crypto coins, which can potentially benefit from the speculation around AI. And while some of these coins have good partners and decent tokenomics, I like the crypto AI plays a lot less than the stocks for a few simple reasons. The first is that tokens really don't capture that much value. Second is you don't actually own the company by owning the token. And the third is you're not going to receive any dividends if these crypto companies do actually find success and make a bunch of money. Now, token economics can change in the future, et cetera, but that's how it is right now for a lot of these companies. The valuations here are going to be primarily driven by just speculation. So keep that in mind and take profits without mercy on the AI hype coins. Also, AI hype, like metaverse hype, can dry up real fast. And while I think that AI is going to change everything and be one of the biggest investment classes of the decade, the truth is that there will be a lot of, mini bubbles and mayhem and all kinds of crazy going on. So be careful. Okay, that's it. Subscribe now. See you next time.